Back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making turkey grilled chili tamale this evening. This is what I will be teaching on Cooking for Inclusion October edition. So this is the ingredients we are using. First of all, I will start by seasoning the turkey with salt. Please, you will see the measurements for the caption. Thank you. So I will be adding a cumin and oregano. Oregano, I like the smell of that. And this is not among the recipe need for this, but I will be using it. That is maggi. I like to use the liquid for some kind of food, but I like to use the powder one for some. You mixed it. If you want to use your hand to do it, that's good. But if you want to wear gloves, it's good too. I'm using oil, vegetable oil, 1.5 cups. I already seasoned the turkey. I don't want the oil too hot before adding it for the fry. You might not be able to do it once, you can fry twice. I will just remove this one, just for me to fry the turkey a little bit brown, not just done. So the turkey. Okay, so we'll be adding the pepper now. This pepper is kind of spicy, but not really. So if you are using, make sure try it first. This one is not too spicy, so I'll be adding the bay leaf. If you are using the spicy one, don't let it too much. If not, it might be too hot for you. Yeah. I'm adding the chicken broth now. We might need some of the chicken broth later, but right now, that's what we have. So I'll be putting back those seasonings. This is the same bowl I used to season the turkey. So whatever be inside, that's what I add. It's like the same thing I used before. Okay, so I'll put the turkey back now and give it 1 hour to cook. Okay, so we have all the turkey inside now. I'm just going to cover it and let it cook. Please don't go far from your food if you are cooking. So we put it for low heat for like 1 hour. So 1 hour later, this is how the turkey looks like. So we're ready to go. This is how the turkey looks like. This is beautiful. Just so the taste is so good. You want to try it.